This is the JustTap Tripod from KraftGeek. It's a tap-to-open tripod for your phone. Jesus Christ. Try that again. So this version of the JustTap Tripod is the one with Magsafe. If you don't have Magsafe, they do have another one available with a regular phone clamp. They're both pretty much the same thing, but they differ with how you mount the phone. But yeah, the one I have here is the Magsafe version, and this thing is pretty neat. So let's start off by checking the key feature of this tripod, the tap-to-open feature. To open up the base, all you have to do is tap the bottom onto any surface and the tripod legs immediately deploy. Now, you don't have to put down your coffee when you want to set up your phone. Now, I did worry about this accidentally deploying when I put it in my bag. I usually like to stick the tripod in the bottle holder of my backpack, and I wondered if the JustTap Tripod would just open up when I shoved it in there, and it didn't. Even if I purposely tried to press the button on the bottom to open it up in there, it wasn't going to open, which is really good to know. But just how much faster is it to set up versus a standard phone tripod? This is really the phone tripod that I've been using, and it's honestly a great tripod. It's the Ulanzi MT44 in case you're wondering. Oh wow, I'm still trying to set it up. Yeah, I think it's time to upgrade to the JustTap Tripod. When it's closed, it's 13 inches long, and at full height, it's 66 inches tall. Oh, I guess now you know my height. It's made of aluminum alloy and only weighs 15.8 ounces. This tripod is Magsafe compatible to attach your phone, but if you don't have Magsafe, they include a magnet ring to attach to your device. So it's marketed as a phone tripod, but I found that you can also use this with small action cameras that have magnets. Here it is with my Insta360 Go 3S, which is really small and lightweight, but it can also hold on to my DJI Osmo Pocket 3 with a magnetic attachment. That's because this tripod has a really strong N52 magnet. KraftGeek says it's 5 times stronger than standard Magsafe, and though I don't have a way to scientifically test that, this thing is definitely not letting go of my phone. The adjustment of the phone holder is really nice too. The neck of the holder has 180 degrees of adjustment, the same for the head. And you can orient your phone at any angle on the mount itself. So this lets you capture from a variety of angles from overhead shots to low angle views, all without having to fumble around with screw mounts to get it to the exact position that you want. There's a detachable Bluetooth remote that's magnetically attached onto one of the tripod legs. It's a simple one-button remote that connects to your phone via Bluetooth to act as a shutter button on your phone. You don't have to use this as just a tripod, you can also extend it and hold it out as a selfie stick. Now I think the best way to use this tripod is to place your phone in there and get it to the height that you want, then just tap it on the ground to deploy the base. This is going to be perfect for people like me who are just too lazy to bend down. Anyways, if you're interested in this tripod, I'll have all the links you need in the description, and make sure to use my code ROAM15 to save 50% off your purchase. I think that code works on everything on their site, so check out their other stuff while you're on there too. Alright, I need to figure out what to do with this thing now. I really don't think I'm going to use it again. See ya.